increase in
what?
profit, but compounding that over
2%
time over like a
increase?
year or something like that, that would.
So the video I just watched is I coded a trading bot and it gave me $1,000. I'm gonna try building my own. I don't have $1,000 to trade, so we'll see. But I'm gonna use the Robinhood and Python together to try to build this trading bot. Alright, so this is my Python code. If we look back to the video, my trading strategy is going to be super simple. It's going to be buy low and sell high. Alright, so let's run this. Alright, let's start this. So using Robin stocks as using Python 3.7, then update to 3.8 yet. So I'm using Python to use Robin stocks in order to connect to the Robinhood API. All I need is my username and password. Import all this. Run this. So I'm putting all my stocks into a data frame. Data frame looks like this. I don't really like this layout. The tickers are all on the top. I'm gonna transpose it and move the ticker into the, or change the index and make it into a ticker column, then reset the index. So this part, I'm basically switching all of these numbers right here into floats because they're being read as a string right now. So all the numbers are floats now. Alright, so here's the bulk of my buy low and sell high. So if the average price of the stock is less than 25 and the quantity is 1 and the percent change is negative 0.5%, then it triggers a buy. For the selling part, if the quantity is 5 and the percent change is greater than 0.5%, then it triggers a buy, or sorry, triggers a sell. I'm only messing around with my stocks that are over $25 or less than $25, I mean. Goes into the buy data frame. And then for sell, if the quantity is greater than 5, stock quantity greater than 5, and the percent change is greater than 0.5%, then it triggers a sell. Let's go ahead and run this and see if anything pops up. So this triggers a buy. The percent change is minus 4.9%. See a sell, nothing to sell. So I just move all of the tickers into a list so I can put it in my loop. So nothing to sell right now. Then buy list. Alright, so got this error message. I'm only allowed to buy 2 shares. I guess I don't have money in my account. So hopefully when you guys watch this YouTube video, I can get some ad revenue so I can purchase some more stocks. Cool. Alright, peace out.